Hey everyone, today we are doing all things circuits. Hope you're excited. All you're gonna need are some wires. You're gonna need a battery and a battery holder. Then you're gonna need some light bulbs and a light bulb holder. Doesn't have to look like any of this kind of stuff. It could be your own kind of things, but that's what you need. Also, we're gonna be testing what are insulators and conductors. So we're gonna be using random household items like aluminum foil, wood, cardboard, plastic, things like that to see what is conductive and what is not. Throughout this lab, you're going to be learning about circuits that are in series, circuits that are in parallel, and circuits that are in both series and parallel at the same time, and how that all works. Hope you guys are excited.